What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. We've got a good one for you today. I'm going to admit publicly in grand fashion that I'm having a midlife crisis. We're gonna unbox something and we're gonna start a project that a person of my age and responsibility should not be doing, but we're gonna do it, and I highly recommend any of you of such age and responsibility to do it as well. Also, Shelby's looking good, and we've got an update on the Bronco. Guess what? It's coming home to Utah. So we're gonna take it to Premier Complete Auto Care for the transmission. So I gotta get with Alex, and we're gonna figure out shipping. We don't have an ETA yet, but the Bronco is finally gonna make it home to Utah. How you guys doing up there? You good? You good? Hold on. Now we're gonna head inside. We got a lot of good stuff that I haven't seen, so you and I are gonna see it in person live together, and I'm excited. And yes, we're gonna leave these two out here just for a minute. Hang on, you guys are gonna be fine, just hang tight. Now, first thing we were gonna do was gonna put the roof on my shelves, known as my 2001 Dodge Viper, but obviously this is where I keep my shoes and such. But I realized if we did that right now, I would not be able to get into the car. So what we're gonna have to do, we're taking it to the shop this week. I'll just have to wait till we jump it. I'll drive it out into the driveway, then we'll put the roof on, and then I'll take it to the shop. I can be somewhat proactive though. We can get the back glass in. I think it shouldn't be too hard. I don't know if it's outside in or inside out. I'm confused. Okay, we're good. Yeah, that one's buckled. Beautiful. We're good. We accomplished 20% of what we needed to do today to be able to get this to the shop, which just means we got to do more tomorrow, but at least tomorrow we have to do 20% less to get this on the road than we would have to. Did you follow that? I'm just saying, don't procrastinate unless you have to. Now we got to get outside ASAP to the unboxing of the Shirokai wide body kit that I got for the Shelby Hellcat, one of the two. But first, I got to show you what's up. You guys know I want to build a garage in the backyard, but I can't because prices, I just can't afford it, and supplies. So I'm trying to upgrade this part of my garage. We got the chair now, we got some fine, rare art. We're trying to keep things clean and organized. I got the treadmill. You guys also know I've been going to the gym a lot. I'm just trying to get in shape. I'm trying to be healthier. And that's why I'm excited to announce today's video is sponsored by Athletic Greens. It's comprehensive, convenient daily nutrition. Athletic Greens is better nutrition made a lot simpler. It's got 75 vitamins, minerals, whole food sourced superfoods, probiotics, and adaptogens in one convenient daily serving. This special blend of ingredients helps your body's nutritional needs and supports gut health, immunity, energy, focus, recovery, and aging. AG1 does this without the need to take multiple products or pills. It's simply one scoop, 8 ounces of water every day, and that is it. Look at this. Even I can do this. Now we shake it up and we're gonna be good to go. Bam. Now let me tell you guys why I'm a big fan of AG. You guys know I do this YouTube stuff on the side. It takes a lot of time. I'm trying to run a company during the day. Takes a lot of time. I'm going to the gym now 5-6 days a week. I'm trying to do everything I can to succeed in life, to do better. But the one thing I consistently struggle with, that I fail at, is eating healthy. I'm terrible. You guys know it, my wife knows it. Athletic Greens is one thing that I'm capable of. Every day I can put together 8 ounces of water, a little scoop, crush it down, I'm good to go. At least I'm doing one thing. Also, I do appreciate that over the last decade, they've had 52 iterations of this product. That means they're constantly striving to do better, to make a better product for you and for me. They're not resting on their laurels. Let's go. Make sure to go to the link in the description now to get a year's supply of vitamin D3, K2, and 5 travel packs for free with your first purchase. This is a game changer for your immune system. AG1 provides your body with everything it needs for optimal performance every single day. I can't thank Athletic Green enough for sponsoring this channel and for making nutrition simple. I'm super amped for the direction of this channel, but also for the direction of my health. And remember, they're gonna give my community an immune supporting free 1-year supply of vitamin D and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. Hit the link below. Let's go. All right, we did it. We got a piece. Now this box is obviously extremely light, and it should have the rest of it, I think. Woo. We got stickers and air fresheners. Actually, that's if you've been in my car, you know You know I need these. Now I want to remind everyone, these are not carbon fiber bits. I know there's a lot of comparisons generally between me and James, but this is a muscle car, American muscle car. So this is not carbon fiber. This did not cost $60,000. It's like a $5,000 kit from Shirokai. I'm super stoked about it. It's gonna look good, but just, it's not carbon fiber. I didn't want carbon fiber. We weren't trying to do carbon fiber. So if you're typing carbon fiber, not happening. All right, here it is, folks. Every piece of my Shirokai wide body kit for my Challenger Hellcat, and again, these are raw pieces. They're gonna need to be painted. We're probably gonna paint match the Mango Orange, but that does give us a chance to consider the entire visual of the vehicle. Do we wrap the whole thing or leave it Mango Orange? I don't know. We're gonna have a lot of options, but first, let's see if I can install this just like right now. We're gonna go outside, throw it on, see what it looks like. But first, we are in charge of cooking chicken tonight for me and the wife. How you doing, girl? You doing okay? Also, side note, yes, it's not registered. I'm not really driving her anymore because I lost the registration, I lost the purchase papers of the Hellcat. I can't go register it because I can't find my purchase documents. So it's embarrassing, but at least you guys know why it's not done. I'm looking. I'm sure it's somewhere. We're gonna. Yeah. It's also, we have one yellow. That's gonna be remedied too with the wide body kit. Let's go. This is seriously such a cool car, just stock as it is. The horsepower, the styling, I love it, but we're just gonna make it our own. Now here's the deal. It's getting late, the sun is going down as you can tell. I'm in charge of making dinner tonight, chicken, smoked chicken, and it's getting cold, it's gonna be dark. So we're gonna move the wide body build inside because I have a heated garage with lights. Look at this, I wanna interrupt real quick. This is like, man, let's go. Yeah, dinner was good, but this is getting amazing. Bam, I'm getting pretty good at this. Oh, and if you are curious, yes, I did get this from James. He taught me, he's the pro, he's the best. This is how you do it, right? Now we're gonna go back in the cavern here to get some perspective, and yes, we're gonna call it the cavern. I don't know what else to call it. Also, James, super wide body, yeah, pretty sick. Yeah, look at this. That is girthy. And if you go to this side again here, this is why I bought the non-wide body version of the Hellcat, because I was gonna do this. This is cool. And again, I gotta emphasize, I never thought at any point in my life, ever would I wide body a vehicle. As the accountant in me felt like, well, that's not practical, it's a lot of money, etc., etc. But I've seen what James has done to his cars. He obviously influenced me and encouraged me heavily to do this, and so I said, hey, it looks cool, let's go for it. Now the question is, do we put it on air, do we do underglow and so forth? And if we do, that's gonna make this car pretty nuts, and that's where the midlife crisis factor comes in, because what middle-aged responsible accountant buys a 717 horsepower, $72,000 vehicle, cuts it up, puts big fender flares on it, and does that? That's not what I do. And on that point, if I ever find the paperwork to register this vehicle, my vanity plate is gonna say in some form midlife, to represent midlife crisis. But now back to this. This is a disaster. The Shelby needs to go here. The Shelby is not gonna make it in the garage tonight, obviously. The Hellcat, I think this is kind of all I've got. All I know is this looks good, and I need Casey Draper. Casey, I'm calling you, bro. You got work to do, I need your help. Now here's the situation, because the Hellcat has stuff taped to it and it's illegal to drive. The Viper, the battery's dead, also it's winter and it's got no top on it. The Shelby's good, but the Raptor is gone. So I've only got one drivable vehicle right now, and that is the Shelby. I've got my wife's car, I guess I got the smart car, but the smart car, James is back from his travels. He's going again, but we are giving that away. It's just scheduling is difficult. The Raptor is gone. It is getting modified. The exciting thing about that is the Raptor's gonna be back supposedly tomorrow, because those mods that we've been talking about for months and months and months that I actually ordered last spring 2021, they're on the truck. I haven't seen the final product yet, but I am beyond excited. Oh, and final bit, yes, we are for sure gonna paint match these to the Hellcat for now, the Mango, but be thinking, do we keep it pure, that color, or do we wrap it as well? Just keep that in the back of your brain. But for now, I gotta get this footage to Luke. He's gotta edit this for me, and I'm so grateful for you, Luke, because I can't stay up till 4 a.m. anymore editing the videos and then going to work. I I'm too old. Midlife crisis type stuff is hitting me. So thank you, Luke. You're crushing it. I hope you all are crushing life. Best of luck. Peace. Whew, I'm sweating. Are you guys sweating? Do you usually sweat this much when you unbox stuff? Listen. Crispy.